In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Ionos account. Whether you're starting a new website, getting your business online, or just want to explore what Ionos has to offer, you're in the right place. Ionos provides a variety of services, including web hosting, domain registration, and more, making it a one-stop shop for your online presence. First, navigate to the Ionos homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. This opens a new page with different options for signing in or registering. Since you want to create a new account, click on Customer Account. This option is specifically for those looking to become new Ionos customers. Clicking Customer Account will take you to another page. This time, look for an option that says Become a Customer Now and take advantage of our offers. This is exactly what you need. It's designed for new users who want to join Ionos. After selecting to become a new customer, it's time to choose the service you want to use. Ionos offers a wide range of products, including domain registration, web hosting services, and more. Each service is tailored to different needs, so take a moment to consider what's right for you. Whether you're starting a blog, creating an online store, or just want a domain name for a new project, Ionos has you covered. Once you've browsed the available services and selected one that fits your needs, pick a deal that aligns with what you're looking for and proceed to pay for the subscription. The payment and subscription process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, fill in the necessary information, and you'll be all set. After you've chosen your service and completed the subscription process, there's a bit of a waiting period. Your order will need to be processed, which might take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. During this time, Ionos is setting up your account and making sure everything is ready for you to use. It's a short wait, but it's worth it for the services you're about to receive. A few tips to make your experience smoother. Make sure you enter all required information accurately during the sign-up process. This includes your contact details, payment information, and any other required fields. Accurate information helps speed up the setup process and ensures you can start using your account without any issues. Also, take some time to explore all the services and features Ionos offers. They have a rich library of resources that can help you get started, optimize your online presence, and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. Plus, their customer support is always there to assist you. And that's it. Just a few simple steps and a little bit of patience, and you'll be up and running with your new Ionos account. Whether you're creating a personal blog, launching a business website, or just exploring, Ionos is a great platform to support your online journey. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share.